Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. In this video, I will show you how to register for Microsoft 365 developer program. If you got registered, you will get free access of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams and all other Microsoft applications. So let's get started. Always click on join now. Here it will ask you to enter your Microsoft credentials. But if you don't have any Microsoft account, you can create a one. Now we will click on create one. Here you can see Microsoft is not offering Microsoft 365 developer program to new users. So for this, what I can do, I am having this developer account already. I will create the user with your name and email ID. So you just have to drop your email ID and you have to enter your name in the Google form which I have provided. Link is in description. So just fill that form and I will create one user in my account for you. It will also provide you 1 TB of OneDrive storage. So thank you for watching this video. If you are having any query, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.